here. And then look, nothing else anywhere that you can even touch. This is foolproof.
Major pressure.
Get that good old cold start. Fresh cold start. We'll be real loud. Oil change time. Just gonna let you know soon you start it up. Change your oil soon. And we're at 7,090 miles. And it's letting me know to change my oil. So that's what we're about to go do, man. Oh. Copyright. But the first oil change is free as long as you do it within a year of having it. So like I said, I didn't reach the 7,500 mark because it's telling me to change it on the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and do what it's telling me to do. So I'm, like I said, right there at 7,000 miles, told me to change the oil, so we're about to go get the oil changed on the C8 Corvette. Hopefully they let me in the back. I'm like, hey, I got special doors on this car, you gotta know how to do it, man. But who knows, they might not let me back there, but I'm gonna try to get back there. Got my batteries with me. Gotta have extra batteries. But anyway, that's what this video is. About to go get the oil changed on the 2020 C8 Corvette for the first time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It's your boy Prince_Whoops 870. Let's get it, baby. And by the way, it is 9:30 in the morning. My appointment is at 10 o'clock. I'm sleepy, I'm still tired, so that's why I might be looking like I'm looking. But anyway, I'm gonna wake up in a minute. Y'all guess how much it's gonna take to fill this car up. I'm at 40 miles to empty. I'm gonna let y'all know how much the gas is when we get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up real quick. So take y'all guess right now how much y'all think it's gonna take to fill up the 2020 mid-engine C8 Corvette. Like I said, we're at 40 miles to empty right now. Almost 7,100 miles on the car. Take y'all guess. Next stop will be the gas station. We're gonna fill this thing up and get on to the dealership to get this good old oil change. And I scheduled the oil change on the app too, so if y'all ever need to do that, just go ahead and use the Chevy app. It was pretty neat, you know, it just took right to it. They had to call in one, set the appointment, set the time. They sent the confirmation email and everything like that, so it worked out pretty good. But let's get to this gas station before I be pushing this Corvette. We're almost at the 7,100 mile mark. All right, let's get out of here, put this gas in it. Out and up. Gas is $3.30, guys. So the gas is $3.30 here. Let's turn this car off. Let's see what we can do. So I hope I ain't gotta get that much. I almost got 55. I ain't gonna have it throwing up or nothing. Yeah, I'm finna change the oil. Yes, I'm finna change it right now. But we got the gas in there. Like I said, it was $54.75. I didn't want to push it to 55. You know, I don't need the car throwing up, you know. But anyway, go ahead and hit the Chevy, get this oil changed, get the day started. Let's go. Pulling in. Y'all can see it's a little cloudy, so it's a chance of rain today. But hopefully I get back home before it starts to rain hard. But thumbs up now.
What's the YouTube thing?
Prince Whips, he just do car videos. First time my baby get his oil changed. But at least they ain't got that courage to live that my car is gonna fall off. So I'm a little bit more happy about that. But we'll walk around, see what they got out here at the dealership, but stuff like that. So I just got cleared to go to the back to wash the oil change. So we're about to see this oil get changed on the CA Corvette. You can look it up.
Nice.
All right.
Steve,
What?
check it out. What are you doing?
He wanted to see the bottom of it.
I wish they'd done that.
Let me clean it up.
BMWs and the Chryslers. I had to take the I had to take the covers off of BMW.
Watch out, I'm tired.
Chrysler. The other ones. To change the oil.
Nice, dude.
Then put the cover back on.
Super nice.
Where did they put the plug in?
Plugs right here. And then look, nothing else anywhere that you can even touch. This is foolproof.
Yeah.
I like it. I like it a lot.
That's that metal too.
Dude, I like it.
Where did these go?
Don't know.
It's completely sealed up under there.
Oh,
Skid, yeah, the whole thing. Like, they got neat setup.
what?
Mobile One, full synthetic, 0-40.
Yeah.
You got the fresh oil. Man.
You know how the other one got two plugs?
Yeah.
That's all in one.
Good and thirsty. You're just real thirsty.
Well, it takes, what, 7.5?
Man.
7.5 bottles of liquid gold.
Yep. I think it is, it's neat though the way they did that center console there.
Oh yeah.
When y'all get in?
Well, you don't want me in. I've done been down there in the pit. They didn't put no paper in there? I'll go get one. I need that.
Where's keys at? Alright, how much you put in it, Jesse?
7.5.
7.5?
See right here's the exhaust sauce. You know if they had turbos.
Check with warm engine running and idle.
I like the way they did that. You know, they failed to mention that.
Right now it's about that far over. I was about to run back down there and pull it all out. I was like, I better read this stick first.
You know why they started doing that? Do you know why they started doing all that though? Check it while running? Because believe it or not, there's a lot of people that pull up and they'll bring their cars in there, and all these old ones, you shut them off and check the oil. Well, if they leave them running and they check the oil and they say, oh my gosh, I need oil, and then before you know it, they...
Start down and then come towards you.
Ooh, that's close. They must know what they're doing.
They do.
There it goes.
First one out the books. That's the man with the plan right there.
What's up?
Alright, got your maintenance plan right there for you. And then all those 3 recalls I showed you,
Okay.
there's a printout of all of them. That way you can decide which way you want to go.
Let them know where we at.
Yeah, Central Chevy.
First oil change knocked out, guys. All right, now.
Hey, and it was free.
It was. All right, I appreciate it. See y'all. You too. First oil change knocked out. And all the paperwork. Still got a little oil left. Throw it in the front. Get on, get something to eat. Something to eat and head to the house. I'm gonna just leave that in there for now. Fresh oil change, baby, in the CA Corvette. Like I said, I appreciate Chevy. Appreciate y'all for letting me come in and actually record the process. Ready to put this thing on the road now. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Just wanted y'all to come with me to see the oil get changed on the CA Corvette. They fixed the tire pressure for me. They put everything even. But hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See y'all on the next video. Let's get it.